Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fond du Lac County in east central Wisconsin, Green Lake County in south central Wisconsin, Columbia County in south central Wisconsin, eastern Marquette County in south central Wisconsin, Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:21 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Red Bernard to near Marcus and to near Rio to Lodi, moving east at 70 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fond du Lac, Beaver Dam, Walpen, Portage, Ripon, Mayville, North Fond du Lac, Columbus, Horicon, Juneau, Lake Wisconsin, Berlin, Lodi, Brent, Lomira, Partyville, Fall River, Montello, Martison, and Theresa. People in this field house should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
I have one unread message.